What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to install a MegaSquirt3PNP in my 93 Mazda Miata. Also, I'll be upgrading the injectors, the fuel pump, and adding a fuel pressure regulator to the system. Here's everything right here. We got filters for the fuel injectors. That's the AAM fuel pump right there. The sock for it. Here's some cables for the MegaSquirt right here. Some adapters. Some brackets that came with the fuel injectors. I have no idea what they're for, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. These are the lines for the fuel pressure regulator. That's the pressure regulator right there. Here's the gauge to tell you how much you got going on. And we have the pigtails for the injectors, the idle air or the air temperature sensor, that's for the ECU. These are the injectors right here. These are the Flow Force EV14 650cc. These are the mounting screws for the MegaSquirt. These are the bolts. Wait, there's one more. No. Nope, this is the bolts for that go with this bracket. I still don't know what they're for. There's the brain of the operations right there itself, and then there's one more bolt. Some installation lube for the injectors. I'll put that over there. And stickers. We'll put those on after it's actually in the vehicle, because it wouldn't make sense to put it in now if I don't actually have it running yet. And this is supposed to go to the throttle body. Right now I have the I have the Jackson Racing cold air intake, but I can't run this with the turbo, and I can't run it with the MegaSquirt because it uses the MAF, and the MegaSquirt deletes the MAF, but it still uses the plug, so I can use a plug extender for it. But this whole system is going to have to come out, and then I'll be able to install that, throw a filter on the end of it. Shouldn't be a big deal. I think I left the filter in the house actually, but that's okay though. This shouldn't be too bad. I might take the hood off to make this a little easier because I keep hitting my head on it, because this moves the bracket for the hood and it makes it sit lower than stock, and I keep hitting my head on it every time I try to do something. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. Alright, so first things first, we're gonna go ahead and remove the Jackson Racing intake from on here. Shouldn't take too long. got the car running with the bass tune on the MegaSquirt over there. Oh, you can't really see it, I don't have a live light. And now I'm going to replace the fuel pump, the fuel pressure regulator, and the injectors, and tune for those, and pretty much ride on that for the rest of the week. So let's go ahead and get it done. So I have here an AEM 320 liter per hour fuel pump. I don't know exactly what that is with